In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect OneDrive to n8n. Whether you're automating file backups or building advanced workflows, connecting OneDrive to n8n opens up powerful possibilities for streamlining your daily tasks. Let's dive right in. First, log in to your n8n account. Open your web browser, go to the official n8n website, and sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard and click Create Workflow. This will be the starting point for integrating OneDrive with n8n. After the workflow editor opens, click the plus icon to add your first node. This allows you to search for triggers and services you want to connect. In the search bar, type OneDrive and select Microsoft OneDrive from the results. Make sure you choose this option to ensure you're connecting to the correct Microsoft service. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger. Select On File Created. This trigger is useful if you want your workflow to run automatically whenever a new file is added to your OneDrive account. Now, you'll need to connect your OneDrive credentials. Under Credentials, follow the prompts to sign in to your Microsoft account and grant the required permissions. This step allows n8n to securely access your OneDrive files. Once your account is connected, review the trigger settings and specify which OneDrive events should activate your workflow. Adjust these options based on your automation needs. Next, add an action node to define what should happen when the trigger fires. This could be something like sending a notification, uploading the file elsewhere, updating a database, triggering another automation. Finally, click Fetch Test Event to test your workflow and confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully connected OneDrive to n8n. It's a quick setup, but a very powerful one when used effectively. Thanks for watching.